How to fix Netflix download error. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, open up your Play Store application and make sure that you have an updated version of the Netflix application on your device. So let's go to the Netflix. So as you can see, it is updated to its latest version. So I'm going to go back and tap on the settings of the device. Or you can just go to the Netflix app itself from your app library and tap it for long, then tap on app info, and you can see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it, clear cache, then tap on app permission. Make sure you have toggled on all the options that are required for the application. After that, you can just go back and restart your device and your issue will definitely resolve. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.